Hello and welcome traders, welcome to Precious Pips. So let's start with today's analysis. Today is Wednesday, September 24th, and today we don't have any high impact news events. So let's start our analysis. So this is the weekly chart, and as you can see traders, from the past 1.5 month, gold is continuously bullish. Okay, super bullish. And as you can see traders, gold is creating FVGs. Okay, so this is the first one and the second one, third one. Okay, so gold is continuously creating FVGs. So let's see how much we can continue. Until now there is no sign of weakness. Okay traders, so this is the daily time frame. So after this little correction, so gold is continuing again. Okay traders, so let's find out the daily buy sell levels. Okay, so how we can trade today. Okay, so this is our main chart, and I have already marked the previous day high and low. Okay traders, as you can see over here, previous day high and previous day low, I have marked it in blue line. Okay, so let's move on to 4-hour time frame and let me show you exactly what's happening. So traders, here you can see we are following this trend line. Okay, so market is continuously following this trend line. So first touch, second touch, third touch. Okay, so we already have 3 touches, and whenever the market reaches this trend line, price bumps again. Okay traders, so here you can see traders, the market created another trend line. Okay, and market gave us a fake move, touching its original trend line and again continue. Okay traders, so what are the trading levels for today? So now for the bearish momentum, we need to break past this trend line. Okay, so until and unless we don't break this trend line, so we are not in a bearish direction. Okay, still gold is super bullish and there is no sign of weakness until now. Okay traders, so this is the previous day high, previous day low, and we have trend line supporting gold bullish direction. Okay traders, so this is the support level, so you need to mark as it is. Okay traders, so support level is from 3747, 3736. Okay, so very good support. And here as you can see, we also have the previous day low aligned with our support. Okay, so this previous day low can be liquidated. Okay, so don't directly start buying from here. So wait for the price to give that retracement. Okay traders, so we need that rejection, but the price may liquidate this previous day low and then we can continue. Okay traders, so this is one scenario. If we break past this level, then definitely we are going to touch our trend line. Okay, so if we break past this level 3736, then our next target will be 3700, round number. Okay traders, and here also as you can see traders, in the 4-hour time frame, I'll show you in the line chart. So we have a breakout support. Okay, so we have a breakout support. So after this breakout, so price may retest until our level. So level is 3700 level. Okay, after retest we can again continue. So if we are breaking below this level, 3700 level, which is 3700 level, okay, if we are breaking this level, then only we can continue downwards. Okay, but until now there is no sign of weakness. Okay, so you can see, so this is our exact level which I have shown you, 3700. So after the breakout of this level, okay, so please traders, watch the full video and watch the video carefully. Okay, and if we break out this level, 3700 level, and the trend line, okay, and the trend line, then only we will be expecting some down momentum or the correction momentum. Okay traders, so now we are super bullish. So now what we are expecting, so this is our buy level. Okay, so after this buy level we directly have our target until 3700, okay, below, and if we break past this, then we will be thinking of bearish trend. in the future. Okay, but as of now market is super bullish, and this is our support level, and after liquidating our previous day low we can continue. Okay traders, so make sure you mark this previous day low, which is very important. And above we have a resistance and also the all-time high. Okay, so which we made yesterday. So this is our all-time high and also our resistance 3779 3791. If we break past this directly, okay, directly, if we break past this directly, and then after the retracement we can straight continue to 3825. Okay, and also as you can see market is rejecting from the 3800 level. Okay traders, so if we directly go and break past this, then we can directly target 3825 level. Okay traders, so now this is our buying level. Okay, so make sure you don't miss this opportunity, and also you join our Telegram channel, so there I am going to share all the live updates. Okay traders, so this is our buy level. This is a very good buy level, and also make sure to mark this previous day low, so market can liquidate and then again it can continue. Okay traders, or else the market can continue directly from here. Okay, so I'll update you in my Telegram channel live. Okay, so each and every session I'll update you. So traders, make sure you comment below your thoughts. So what is your bias and what do you think about gold, so that it will help others. Okay traders, so I'll catch you in the next video. Till then, peace out.